We provide training and development for the 11,000 people in technical operations proper and the more than 20,000 plus business partners we have all over the world.
We're using virtual training. We're using it domestically and we're using it internationally. When we first started, it was any closet, any room, any space that we could find. And it grew into a room that we use. It's dedicated to virtual training.
Well, the Delta Communication Studio is set up perfect for us. The seating, the tables from Herman Miller, the cameras, the microphones from Logitech, they're so versatile. They can either stand up to teach, they can sit down and be more comfortable in a chair, they can move around and walk around because everything is mobile, everything is wireless.
So let's start out with the TED Talk area. We've got a really nice PTZ Pro 2 HD camera. We've got a meetup camera that's got a very good directional microphone system built into it, and it works fabulous.
We have a component station with a face-to-face camera, and then that station also has the ability to do an overhead and shoot down on the equipment with a Brio camera that we have attached to the ceiling.
Another aspect of our communications studio is the conference area. Some people call it a warm-up, cool-down station. What's built into that is a TV with the meetup camera, so we use that for all kinds of things. Another unique area of the room is the instructor station. We utilize the capabilities of the Zoom virtual background so we can put anything behind us. We've got a Logitech Brio camera focused on us with that backdrop. And we're also able then to have a producer station right next to us so they can manage the chat line, they can communicate with that student to keep that interaction going that we need while the instructor's doing their job right next door.
The Herman Miller furniture gives you the ability to get up, move around, adjust your tables, adjust your chairs.
It really is nice. At the end of the day, you don't feel like you've been on video for hours on end.
So the project, as you can tell, has been pretty successful thus far. This room is now booked 3.5 months out, 18 hours a day. So guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be building another one of these. When you partner with the right folks that have the right ideas on what equipment you actually need to have in that room, we ballparked $300,000. As it turns out, it was a fraction of that.
The collaboration with Herman Miller and Logitech on this project has just allowed us to provide a higher level of quality and professionalism than we would have ever been able to accomplish on our own.